this is going to be exploring the probability that 3 sticks made out of this one long stick, we'll call that unit 1 if you will. If you break it at 2 random points, what's the probability that the 3 sticks will form a triangle? And then we'll move on to seeing the video that was made by one of my colleagues at MIT. The program is called Blossoms. Now notice, this can be done in a very poor region. You can ship the video via computer anywhere in the world instantly with virtually no expense.
My name is Dick Larson, and I'm a teacher at MIT here in Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA. I hope you're feeling fine today and full of energy.
Are you?
We have an interesting challenge problem for you that's going to build in the math skills that your teacher and you have been working on these past few weeks and maybe months. Today's problem deals with triangles, and if you're currently in a geometry class in a high school, that's sometimes called the science of triangles, and so it's not inappropriate for us to study triangles, but we'll be doing it in a different way.
So our first job is to take any length, and of course we don't have to break it in 1 through 36, you can break it through 1 through 100. But what was this one, 147,377?
That was the one that we got, and then we subtracted these two to get the second.
The one in the middle, good.
Yeah. Like the 2 sides combined have to be greater than or equal
Good.
to.
And they're all mixed up, and you're going to select 2 at random, and they're numbered 1 to 36. Let me pick out the first one here. He reaches in. He pulls out, it is a 24.
This doesn't form a triangle. These 3 don't form a triangle.
So if we did this experiment over and over again, what % of the times do you think that the 2 randomly selected numbers would result in being able to make a triangle?
Go at 24, and then I have to cut through at 10. Okay. Gentlemen, we have the 3 pieces so obtained, and let's ask the question. Can we form a triangle with these 3 pieces? Well, look.
What is the probability that the first digits of the 2 numbers will be the same?
Very small.
What's small? Exactly.
You and your teacher in your class have discovered that the probability that you can form a triangle from this experiment is 25%, because in class, you've just done the symmetric reverse of this when we have x1 less than x2, and you found out the other part of this is like this, and the area of these 2 triangles summed together is 1/8 plus 1/8 is a quarter, and that's the answer. So if you did this roughly 10,000 times, approximately, you don't know exactly because this is uncertain probability, 2,500 times you could form a triangle.